Superbugs are evolving faster than we can treat them, turning routine infections into real dangers, not because medicine's getting worse, but because bacteria are learning from the very ways we misuse antibiotics. In 2019, antibiotic resistant bacteria were responsible for about 1.27 million deaths and linked to almost 5 million worldwide. That's already more deaths than HIV or malaria. In the United States alone, over 2.8 million drug resistant infections hit every year, killing more than 35,000 people. This is antimicrobial resistance, or AMR. It's what happens when bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites evolve so that our drugs barely even touch them. The medicines still exist, they just stop working. Infections become harder, sometimes impossible to treat. Here's the scary part: we train superbugs without even realizing it. In any bacterial swarm, a few cells are naturally tougher. When we use antibiotics the wrong way, too low, too short, or for the wrong problem, we kill the weak and spare the strong. Those survivors multiply, and congratulations, the next infection is now harder to treat. So, what are we doing that helps train the next superbug? First, antibacterial everything. Many antibacterial soaps with chemicals like triclosan aren't better than just plain soap and water, but they could still add pressure that bacteria may evolve around. Second, misusing antibiotics. Taking them for viral infections, not finishing the prescription, or saving leftovers just in case, well, that turns your body into a resistance gym. Third, food and agriculture. Huge amounts of antibiotics are used in animals and even on crops. Resistant bacteria don't stay on the farm, they move through food, water, and travel. The good news: you don't need a lab coat to fight this. Use plain soap and water or alcohol gel. Only take antibiotics when a clinician says you need them, and take them as prescribed. No sharing or accidental leftovers. And when you can, consider buying food raised without routine antibiotics. And talk about this. Ask your representatives about what they're doing about antibiotic misuse in hospitals, farms, and the environment. Superbugs aren't science fiction. They're here and they're learning from us. So, do your part and don't help train the next superbug.